pasok sa main. Punta na.
Of your votes for the main body countdown this week. At number 10, from topping the uprising stage last week was a massive jump. Hey Jude has a new song with Asang Gama. So number 8, it's DJ Montete with Unang Ali. Countdown with Ulan. Hayop ka, Jolie. Tago naman.